So once our system was deployed, the technical declines came down to 0.01% as compared to almost double-digit figures in the bank's existing solution. India has always been in the forefront of adopting digital payments. In terms of market share, presently UPI dominates with 80% of all the digital transaction volumes. We heard our customers, and what we gathered was that the customers were not happy with the existing systems since they were not built to run 24/7, as well as they had problems around availability and scalability, both horizontally as well as vertically. We were fortunate enough to partner with a major retail bank of the country whose existing UPI solution was operating on a hosted environment. So we have completely independent, highly scalable and separately operatable switches for acquirer, issuer as well as credit card. All these three taken together enables the bank's ability for a faster time to market. Our solution is completely API driven and it has got the capability to integrate with multiple upstream as well as downstream systems in the bank. So this helped the bank to achieve a 100% compliance to the all regulatory guidelines on the day of go live. On the first day, we processed approximately 8 million financial as well as non-financial transactions. And the same system, as on date, is very conveniently processing approximately 50 million transactions with a very minimal utilization of the infrastructure resources. This bank presently ranks in the top 25 UPI participants in the country, and with the solution which we have deployed, they're increasing their footprint in the market by going on the merchant acquiring business on a day-to-day basis.